Begin by disconnecting the ground cable from the post on the battery. This is also a good time to check the condition of the terminal and the wiring, as our cable was starting to get a little corrosion, indicated by the red arrow. You will first need to remove the steering wheel. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Next, use a stubby Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 5 screws holding the instrument cluster surround in place indicated by the red arrows. Use a longer handled Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 3 screws that you access through the vents, red arrows. Carefully remove the surround so you do not crack it. This is especially important if you have a dash cover, which our project car did. With the surround removed, use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 4 screws holding the cluster in place, red arrow. Carefully wiggle the cluster out from the dash. You will have to pull one end out to remove the wiring connection. Our cluster had 3 connections. The connections are held in place by lock tabs. Push the tabs out and the connectors will separate, red arrows. With one side removed, you can get easier access to the other connections. Make sure to label the connectors so you do not mix them up. If you are just changing the bulbs, you do not need to completely remove the cluster, but it makes it a lot easier. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.